What's going on, guys? MixedSid back again for another cocktail, and today's cocktail is my perfect creation. I've waited a long time to get this one right. But for you Man City fans out there, this one is for you and for tonight's game against Chelsea. Yes, that is it. It is the Manchester City cocktail, and I will show you guys how to make this. We're going to do a reverse shake. A reverse dry shake. So what a reverse dry shake is, it's without ice. It's going to take 2 shakes. So let's put the ingredients first. 30ml or 1 ounce of Manchester City vodka. So it's a blue raspberry vodka. It's going to say we got it from Beaming Brands if you want to check them out.
We did a review.
Yes, we've done a review. So 30ml or 1 ounce. Next up, guys, is 25ml, just short of 1 ounce of that blue Curacao. So come on, you blues.
Which ones?
The sky blues, of course. Because it's my own creation, this Manchester City cocktail, so it took me quite a while to get this right. I went a long time. So 10ml of Passionfruit syrup, which is 1/3 of an ounce. But it's a bit of a take on the Blue Lagoon. 75ml, which is 2.5 ounce of Sprite, or for a more international audience, soda.
So, see a bit of spillage?
Bit of spillage. Instead of using egg whites, guys, I've got liquid egg whites. They'll last longer, so instead of keep buying eggs. A 25ml, just short of 1 ounce of egg whites. Like I said, this is for the nice foam. And now, to try and reduce the smell of the foam like that, I'm going to add a bit of Angostura bits to this one. 2 drops. What you want to do now, guys, is put your lid on, give it a bang, and shake hard for 10 seconds. So as you can see, guys, we're not using ice, it's a reverse dry shake. Just add your ice. Get your lid, give it a bang, so it's secure, and shake again for 10 seconds. Just look like a beautiful cup. Pour on strainer, and strain into a coupe glass. Got the beautiful garnish. That's right, guys. A Manchester City rice paper garnish. So you can order this from, that's because I got this from Edible Cocktail Toppers, £5 for 15, which I think it's a bargain. You can get to do any designs.
It seems only fitting on the day of the Champions League final. Manchester City take on Chelsea in Porto in Portugal, that we have the specially made Manchester City cocktail created by MixedSid. What a beautiful looking cocktail. I cannot wait to taste this. How does it taste? Delicious. Best of luck today to Manchester City in the Champions League final. Cheers.